Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to see how to host website on GitHub. Now if you don't know about GitHub, let's take a look. GitHub is a version control tool which is used to manage the source code. Now we can host the static website on GitHub at free of cost. So let's begin. Comment below in which topic you need a tutorials. If you have not subscribed to our channel, then subscribe our channel and do support. First, open GitHub and log in with your account. Now we will create new repository. So click on this new button. Here we have to give our repository name. So I want to publish my privacy policy of new app. So I will give the name as tic-tac-toe privacy policy. Now here we have to select the public and simply click on this create repository button. So our repository is created. Now to upload our website code to GitHub, we have to do this code. But in this video we are going to use desktop version of Git because it is easy and simple to use. If you don't know how to install GitHub desktops, then watch this video. Link is given in the description box. Now open Git desktop version. Here click on this file button. I have already logged in this Git desktop version. If you don't know how to set up this, then watch this video. Link is given in the description box. Now click on this clone repository button. Here we can see all the repository of this account. Now we will select tic-tac-toe privacy and simply click on this clone button. So our repository is cloned successfully. Now we have to go to this GitHub repository path. So in my machine the path of local directory is document and then GitHub folder, and at the end it will store in tic-tac-toe policy. So let's move to the specified folder, and now in this folder we have to paste our website code. So I have pasted it here. Now make sure you have one index.html file. Now open GitHub desktop version. Now here we can see 3 file is not committed. So simply we have to commit it. Write the proper comment and click on this commit button. And at the end click on this publish branch. So our code is uploaded to our Git repository. Now here we have to simply refresh the page. So we can see our code is uploaded. Now we will see how to host the website on Git. So click on this setting, and in this setting scroll down and we can see GitHub pages. Now click on this button. Here we have to select our repository branch. So click on this main branch and simply click on this save button. So here we can see it shows our site is published at this specified URL. Now let's open this URL and see what's happened. So we can see our site is up and running. If you like this tutorial, download our app and give your valuable feedback. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned.